Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be testing out the Jeffree Star Holiday Lipstick Collection. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products, not the people behind them. Any tip you may have with them, please cast it away, because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. Oh my god, every video I feel like my hair gets taller and taller. I look like one of those aliens from Mars Attacks. That's okay though, I don't mind. Also, I know we did just review the Jeffree Star Alien palette, which I am giving away. Make sure to check that video out if you want to enter. But I really wanted to get this review out, so I'm so sorry for like back-to-back same brand videos. And I actually wasn't even gonna film today, but it is so fucking disgusting and dreary and gloomy out that my bitch ass had to find something to cheer myself up with, and that is makeup. It was either play with makeup or drink copious amounts of wine, and so I thought, why not do both? But I do have the whole bundle here, and I believe it costs like $110. Hold on, let me look. Oh shit, no, I was wrong, it's $105. I am on the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, which says holiday, oops shit, which says introducing 8 new limited edition velour liquid lipsticks from our 2018 Alien collection. Fuck! Just set those up there, damn it. Shades range from everyday nudes and reds to bold statement shades, available in a limited bundle. Treat yourself or a friend to the ultimate holiday lipstick set. This lipstick goes on opaque, dries completely matte. Of course, these are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. And like usual, they do say exfoliate your lips before use. Yeah, alright, I got my sugar scrub right here, which is not from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is from Wet n Wild. Oh, that's nice. It tastes like watermelon. Anyways, let's go ahead and hop right into putting these on. Like usual, just in case they stay, I am gonna start with the lightest one, which I think is Can't Relate. And if you know me, you know that I can never break a Jeffree Star seal, so we are taking it from the bottom. And I ain't even gonna act like it's the first time I've said that before. But here we have it. The packaging is very kind of interesting. It's actually kind of Halloween-y. Like, it has orange sparkle on it. I don't know if you can even see that. It is definitely pretty, but it doesn't scream holiday to me. The packaging, though, is very nice. Like, it has a good weight to it, which I personally appreciate because I'm not the best applicator of liquid lipsticks, and so the weight helps me balance so my lips don't look like I just gave 50 blowjobs outside Home Depot. But let's open this little bitch up and see what we're working with. Ooh, that's actually a really pretty color. It's like an everyday soft pink nude. Oh, and it has no smell. Oh, thank you. I always hate when lipsticks are fragranced. But here we go in with Can't Relate. Oh, that is nice. Oh, and I like the fact that you can rub your lips together and the color won't completely disappear. But because I did rub my lips together, I'm just gonna go in with a second little coat, and there we go. Damn, I really like that color. I mean, it does kind of wash me out, but if I had like a deep smoky eye, I feel like this lipstick would be banging. Ooh, yes, I like it. It is the tiniest bit patchy. I don't know if you can even tell, and that might be because I rubbed my lips together. I'm gonna have to stop doing that, but you can kind of see my lips underneath there. Let's see how it layers up. Maybe I can get rid of that. That streakiness does kind of stay, but I think I got rid of it for the most part. I don't think anybody would really be able to tell it's streaky unless they had their eyeball pressed up against your lip, which maybe some people do, whatever gets you off, I guess. But for the color, I think it's so freaking pretty. It's very, very comfortable. It doesn't really feel like there's anything on my lips, and I feel like this would also be perfect to put on the center of your lips as a highlight, so maybe we'll end up trying that with one of these deeper shades, but let's wipe this off and move on. Ugh. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, that was a bad choice. Ugh. Holy shit, I thought I was just gonna die. I usually take these Jeffree lipsticks off with oil, and so I use this makeup balm, which works fabulously on the face, but some got in my mouth, and it literally tastes like a bottle of perfume took a shit in my mouth. Oh, it's like when I'd tell my parents to go suck a dick and they'd make me brush my teeth with soap. Oh, ugh. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to Klout. Again, it has the exact same packaging. It's like orangey red and greenish gold sparkles. Very pretty, and the color is, ooh, kind of like a mauvey lavender. I love that color. And here we go. Oh my god. It like goes on silver and metallic. Fuck me. And I have a feeling this is one of those shades where you absolutely cannot rub your lips together when it's wet, so I'm going to avoid doing that. And we'll see how shitty my application looks. Maybe if I stop talking while I applied it. Damn. Alright, here we have this shade. It's really pretty, but I kind of feel like maybe it's a topper, because depending on how you're looking at it, it actually doesn't look like you have anything on, but then when you go in the light, it's like, bam, bitch. I like it, but I don't know that I would ever wear it. Or at least not on its own. Let me go ahead and put a little bit on my hand so you can see what it looks like not over the lips. It actually goes on my hand a lot better than it did on my lips. Maybe it's because I have some fishy ass scale lips, I don't know, but there it is. Let me just take a different lipstick. This is the first one I grabbed. This is Bachelorette by Makeup Geek. Let's apply a little bit of that right there. And then let's just see what Klout looks like over that. Oh shit, maybe that wasn't dry all the way. Fuck. Oh my, those do not play together nicely at all. Like, it made a really weird pukey pink color. Let's try it over Scandal. Ooh shit, that's pretty. Place that right there. Oh. Oh my. It is like water. What the hell happened? Actually, that's my fault. They do say shake well before use, and I did not shake the shit up. Well, it's a little bit better, but it's still really watery. Huh, okay, well, I'm just gonna set that back down for when we try it on our lips and let this dry. It's a pretty color, but I don't know what happened. All right, let's try this one more time over this. Ooh, okay, I like that. That's really pretty. This does kind of melt whatever's underneath it, so it like mixes them both together, but I feel like the way to go with this one might be to use it as a top. And yes, ma'am, honey, everybody loves a good top, don't they? And by itself, it is pretty. Maybe I just don't have the lips for it because it looks great there, but I don't know. What do you think? Next up, we have Scandal. I'm just gonna give it another shake. Give it a little bit of a swirl in here. Oh, yes, honey. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh. All right, hopefully that's... Oh, man, that made a mess. That was not worth it. No, fuck me. Oh, one of these days I will grow the fuck up. Anyways, that seems to have helped a lot, actually. So, let's try it. Oh my god, it's all over me. But the color seems to be okay. What do we think? It's like a cross between Barbie Pink and Dusty Mauve. And I think it actually has a little bit of glitter in it, too. It's not really a color that I would normally wear, but I think for springtime, this would be awesome. Let me go ahead and put a little bit of this nude shade right in there. I love the way Scandal looks with Can't Relate in the middle. Like, that shit is my bitch. I will say, though, I definitely can feel this one on my lips. I don't know if it's because I've tried so many and I've been scrubbing them, but it does feel like there's something on them. Let me go ahead and put some CoverGirl top coat on that and see if that helps at all. And not really. I guess it kind of helped a little bit. And I don't know if it's the glitter that's making it a little bit heavy, but it's not quite as weightless as the other ones. We are kind of getting into deeper territory here, and normally I'd say the deeper the better, but when it comes to lipstick, deeper might also mean staining. So before we get into the potentially staining reds, I think I'm gonna try the green and the blue. Let's go in with the green first, which is Karma. That looks very interesting. It's kind of like an army camo green. Oh my. Okay, here we go. Oh, I really like that. I didn't think I would. In fact, I was gonna kind of compare this to like the color Baby Shit, which it still may be, but I still really like this. Okay, shut up, Nady, so I can put this on. It is a little bit patchy and it like keeps picking up when I swipe over, so I'm just gonna let it dry down and then I think I'm gonna have to go in for a second coat. All right, there we are with the second coat. I don't know that I can rock this, but I still really like it. Maybe I can? Shit, I don't know. What do you think? It is kind of a little bit streaky, like it's sheer in certain spots. And I do have 2 layers of this on already, so I can kind of feel it, but I think we're gonna go in for a 3rd layer to see if I can cover some of that streakiness up. Oh shit, yeah, it totally covers up if you kind of go in and like spot apply. I don't know when in the fuck I would ever wear this, but it's such a cool color. Ooh! Just for shits, I did put a little bit of Jeffree's Equality in the middle just to see what would happen, and I really like it. It's like I mouth fucked a Christmas tree. I think it's a cool color. What do you think? Do I rock it or do I look like Shrek? Oh god, that does not look good when you take it off. Ugh. Our next kind of unique shade is this beautiful blue, which is YSOTP, aka You're Still on the Property. And... ooh, that is very interesting. Oh my god. This is like a blueberry orgasm. But something that I've noticed with most of the lipsticks in this collection is unlike Jeffree's other lipsticks where it's like dip once and you can cover your entire face, these I have to dip in like 2 or 3 times to get my entire lip. That's not a big issue for me, but it's totally not a one swipe full coverage kind of deal. And here is this shade. I actually really like this. This is so much more pigmented than this purple one was, yet it seems to be just as metallic. And I don't normally gravitate towards blue lipsticks, but this is actually something that I could see myself wearing. Maybe not on like a day-to-day basis, but if I have a good dick appointment that I want to dress up for, then I totally rock the shit out of this. And I think that this would make a really pretty eyeliner too. And I can kind of tell there's something on my lips, but for the most part, it feels super lightweight. Yeah, I could fuck with this. And now onto our red shades. Let's start with the lightest one, which is Hi, How Are Ya? Oh my god, that is not red. That is like pink. Ooh my. Oh wait, no. Is it red? Huh. Or maybe like a light berry? It's not a shade that I would normally gravitate towards, but I could see a shit ton of people looking stunning in this. And I think it does have flecks of glitter in it. Like the more that I rub my lips together, the more glitter comes out. Unless that glitter is left over from the blue. No, I don't know. Can you even see the glitter? Probably not. The glitter's a golden color and it's just ever so slight. I really like it. And the more that I look at it in my monitor, the more it's growing on me. And it's very comfortable on the lips. And our second to last shade is Jeffree Who, which I know there is a little bit of drama around this shade, which I'm not going to get into, but I did kind of have a little bit of a laugh at it. And oh my gosh, this one is actually kind of light. I thought it was a deep red. Oh shit, that last one definitely stained my lips, so that's fun. All right, here we go. Oh my god. There we go. It's a nice pinky nude. I feel like this is, for the most part, a pretty universal shade. Like, if you have super deep skin, this would be a beautiful contrast, and the same goes if you have really light skin. For me, it's kind of just like a your lips but better kind of thing. But still, I really like it, and it's very reminiscent of how Jeffree's most popular lipsticks feel. Very comfortable. And please, let's just ignore the fuck out of my shitty-ass application. Oh my god, my poor lips. It looks like I used sandpaper as chapstick. But fortunately, we are on our last one, which is Triggered, and I really don't even know what color this is. Ooh, it's like deep berry purple. Oh, that is the shit. Oh my god, I think I'm in love. It is a tiny bit difficult to apply because it's so dark, like you have to be super precise, which I am not at all. But I was able to get full coverage with just one dip, and this is not patchy at all. And then when I rub my lips together, some gold flecks come out. Oh my, how interesting. I'm not sure that I really like that. Like, I liked it so much better when it was just matte. How odd. Like, the gold in it is kind of different and unusual. I don't know that you can even see it. You can really only see it when the light hits it right. But I liked it so much better when it was just deep brownish red. I don't know, I'm not disappointed in this shade, I'm just not as excited as I was. But let me go ahead and take some coconut oil and wipe this off, and we can do a very quick and simple look. Oh, hey there, you. I have never felt sexier. Oh, yeah. And that, my friends, is how to blow off a hookup in 3 seconds. All right, my face has been primed, and for foundation, I'm going in with CoverGirl's Matte Made in the shade M60. And for concealer, some Shape Tape in the shade Light. To prime the eyes, I'm going in with NYX's Shadow Base. And for the wear time test, I think I might actually do the blue, so why don't we put some of that on the eyes as well. Just place it right there and start patting it out on the lid. I'm wanting to do like a dark black and blue smoky eye, so let's take this and just start working it up the crease line. Damn, that works amazingly as eyeshadow. Holy fuck on a stick. All right, that blended out super easily and quickly. I am ignoring this spot right here because I'm actually gonna cover that up with concealer and do like a nude wing. But for the actual eyelid, I'm gonna dip into the Jeffree Star Alien palette into Black Hole. And I'm gonna start by placing that all over the lower part of the lid. And then I'm gonna blend the space in between that black and that blue with ColourPop's Detour. And from that same palette, I'm also placing a little bit of Gridlock on the lid as well. Then with some concealer, I'm just cleaning up these edges. Then I'm gonna be a little bit bold and daring, and I was just gonna take some concealer and do a wing, but I think I'm gonna do like a double wing. I did something like this before on Instagram, so maybe I'll try it again. So I'm gonna take some Can't Relate. Let's see if we can go ahead and draw a wing with this. Kind of. She's very sheer. Next, I'm gonna take the blue and place it right underneath that lighter shade so that there's kind of like a double wing going on. And then right over that light lipstick, I'm gonna put some glitter liner. Oh my god, applying this is so fucking scary. Jeez. For the lower lash, I'm gonna dip back into this ColourPop blue, and I'm just gonna smoke that out all along the lower lash line. Then for the lower liner, I'm mixing LA Girl's teal with some navy. Topped off with a little bit of purple because why the fuck not? And then I'm gonna finish the look by pressing a little bit of Jeffree's Area 51 in between the lower lashes. And I feel like the inner corner does need a little bit of pop, so I'm gonna take some Pop Lux Nightlife. See what I did there? And we'll go ahead and place that right there. Remember that time I said I was gonna do a very simple look? Fuck that. And here we are with the final look. The lips, I actually wanted to use that blue, but I ended up looking like a hypothermic Pokemon. And I actually tried on every fucking lipstick to see what would work with this look, and the only one that looked good was Can't Relate. And I'm still not even 100% sold on these colors together, but honestly, fuck it, it is what it is. And I did have to put like 3 or 4 layers of this on to get it completely opaque, so I can't feel it on my lips, and it's not the most comfortable, but it's not so uncomfortable that I won't just forget about it in like 3 minutes. Anyways, this lipstick is super comfortable on the eyes. It's not irritating anything or making them itch. I could feel the wing for a little bit, but now that it's on there and dried, I can't really feel anything. And that blue blended out so freaking nicely and made like a perfect base. So I have to go eat dinner. I am gonna do exactly what their directions say and avoid greasy food, but I will see you in just a second. And we are back. We did just pass the 3-hour mark, and I wanted to wear it for longer, but I actually made nachos for dinner, and that shit has so much grease in it, so this will be non-existent. Already, it's kind of like worn down on the sides and in the middle. This one, for some reason, is just not wearing like a normal Jeffree lipstick on me. Like after about an hour, I could start to feel it really sucking all the moisture out of my lips, and now it's just really uncomfortable. The color, I think, is still really pretty, but it's also starting to look really, really cracky and not that good. So I don't know what's up with this. I feel like had I put on fewer layers, it probably would have lasted longer, but it looked so splotchy on me. Like the only way I could get full ass coverage was if I layered it a bunch of times. So maybe it's my fault it didn't last very long, but then at the same time, it's really not. I don't know about this. I think the lipstick shades are really, really pretty, but I don't know that they're normal Jeffree Star quality. Usually when I get collections like his summer collections, they aren't as good as they normally are. I don't know why that is, but it's almost like these aren't the same formula. I do love the colors though, and even as eyeshadow bases, they're fabulous. And for the most part, they're pretty comfortable, but is this the best collection he's come out with so far? No. And I also don't really care for the fact that they're glittery. Like they look so pretty, but then once you rub your lips together, the glitter comes out and it kind of ruins it for me. I'm sure a lot of people would love that effect. Like it is pretty, I just don't like it on me. I think my favorite shades out of this entire collection is the blue and the green. Like these bitches are so damn stunning. The other shades, for me personally, I could honestly live without, especially because I have a lot of nude Jeffree Star lipsticks and they all seem to perform a lot better than this one did. So do I recommend these? I don't not recommend these, maybe except for the one that I'm wearing, but I don't really know that you need the entire big ass bundle of them. If you see a shade that you totally can't live without, then definitely go for it. You probably won't regret it. But for me, I probably could have done without like 4 of these, and that's totally personal preference. Do I think they're worth the price? This one that I have on, definitely not. But individually excluding this one, I do think it's an okay price. I just probably wouldn't recommend getting this as a bundle. That's just me though. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplix.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere in line that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady, and you can follow me online at thepoplix.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.